Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Fatimah Aminah binti Abdulrazak and I am from A4CS11248. For this week, I would like to talk about the risks that could occur in insurance company operation. The question for this week is, the newest emerging risk might be the next thing to cause an impairment level loss, but it is much more likely that the next big loss will come from a long-standing presenting risk that has been on our risk registers for years. Can you list and explain one of the reasons that could be occurs in insurance company operation? One of the risks is market risk. Market risk is a broad term that encompasses the risk that investment or equities will decline in value due to a larger economic or market changes or events. Market risk, it involves the exposure to movements in the level of financial variables such as share prices and interest rate. It arises from the level or volatility of market prices of assets. It also includes the exposure of options to movements in the underlying asset price. Market risk involve the exposure to other unanticipated movements in financial variables or to movements in the actual or implied volatility of asset prices and options. There are four types of market risk. The first one is interest rate risk. Interest rate risk covers the volatility that may accompany interest rate fluctuations due to fundamental factors such as central bank announcement related to changes in monetary policy. This risk is the most relevant to investments in fixed income securities such as bonds. The second one is equities and property risk. It is a risk of exposure to losses resulting from fluctuations of market values of equities and other assets. The third one is spread risk. It is a simple risk which is a risk that interest spreads will fluctuate. And the last one is currency risk. Currency risk, or we known as exchange rate risk, arises from the change in price of one currency in relation to another. Investors or firms holding assets in another country are subject to currency risk. And that's all from me. Thank you.